Have you ever heard about a magic plane that can change into a helicopter or a boat or even a car? Well, we're going to read about a plane like that. Penguin's plane. The people came from far and near by bus and car and train to take a most amazing ride in Penguin's magic plane. Up, up, up the aeroplane soared, so high above the ground. Penguin said, "My plane is like no other plane around." And he pulled back on a lever, and blades popped up overhead. What? And now they all found they were in a helicopter instead. Oh, the aeroplane had changed into a helicopter. Magic. And then it landed on the ocean. Wow, everyone was amazed when Penguin pushed another button and 7 sails were raised. Now it's sailing on the ocean like a boat. Wow. The plane soon reached the shoreline and the passengers all cheered, "Hooray!" as Penguin pushed another button and 2 back wheels appeared. Now the aeroplane had changed into a car riding on the beach. Awesome. So if you should ever come this way by bus or car or train, don't miss the chance to take a ride in Penguin's magic plane. Thank you, Penguin. Goodbye, all the friends. The end.